Did you know that the same company behind your favorite sodas is now offering a high-quality tea experience? Let's dive into Gold Peak, Coca-Cola's premium bottled tea line. Gold Peak is part of the Coca-Cola Company's portfolio, focusing on offering a superior taste experience with real brewed tea and natural flavors. In 2017, Gold Peak expanded its offerings to include bottled coffees and tea lattes. This move was aimed at capturing the growing market for premium ready-to-drink beverages. The brand's success in the bottled tea market, worth over $1 billion, encouraged this expansion into other ready-to-drink options like coffee and lattes. Gold Peak's black tea with simply peach juice is a popular flavor, combining the refreshing taste of tea with natural peach juice for a unique and appealing drink. This brand extension strategy by Coca-Cola highlights their commitment to catering to diverse consumer tastes in the beverage market, providing both familiar and novel drink options. Gold Peak's entry into ready-to-drink coffees not only diversifies Coca-Cola's product line, but also positions the brand as a leader in the premium beverage sector. Gold Peak offers a refreshing twist on traditional tea and coffee. What's your favorite ready-to-drink beverage? Share with us.